Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at Revolut's airport lounge access. If you travel often, you have probably heard about this perk, but is it actually free and is it worth your money? Let's cut through the confusion and get straight to the facts. You might have seen older videos talking about a feature called Smart Delay, where you register a flight and if it is delayed by an hour, you get free lounge access. Here is the critical update you need to know. Revolut has officially discontinued the Smart Delay feature. That method no longer works, and the rules have completely changed. So how do you actually get into a lounge with Revolut right now? It all depends on your subscription tier. If you are on the standard or plus plan, you do not get free access. You can book a lounge pass directly through the Revolut app, but it is strictly pay-per-visit. If you upgrade to the premium or metal plans, you unlock discounted lounge access. You still pay for the entry, but at a reduced rate compared to standard airport prices. If you want truly free, unlimited airport lounge access, you have to upgrade to the Revolut Ultra plan. Ultra members get unlimited access to over 1,000 lounges worldwide for themselves, though you still need to pay a fee if you want to bring a guest. There is also a new workaround. Revolut now allows you to redeem your everyday RevPoints for airport lounge passes directly in the app. If you use your card for regular spending, you can save up enough points to cover your next pre-flight lounge visit without paying out of pocket. The verdict? Revolut Lounge Access is a paid feature for most, a discounted benefit for premium and metal, and an unlimited luxury only for Ultra users. Calculate your travel frequency before deciding to upgrade. Thanks for watching ClearTask. Subscribe for more updates and I will see you in the next video.